Guys, I'm making hot chocolate and the water sounds weird. It's like doing the boop 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 boop. You guys hear it? Oh, that's not good because like, you couldn't see nothing. Can you hear it though? Like I don't know why the I'm freaked out. It's creepy. It's like I don't even know how it's happening. It's just the little bubbles coming up. In the world? Wow, okay. Hope you guys can hear that. Well, that's it. Bye. Also, look at my hair. I don't know what it's doing.